All right, folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's Office of Gardner Realtors, and we've got an exquisite opportunity for y'all. This is really the opportunity to live in a work of art by a legendary New Orleans artist, Robert Guthrie. He was known for his screen printing and also for his watercolor. And it's interesting that he was able to work with both of those two medias because they are so opposite. One is very rigid and takes a lot of preparation, and the other is a free-flowing medium. So he's very impressive in that. He was well renowned in New Orleans for his works, and unfortunately he passed away recently, leading to his home that was truly his masterpiece, a place that he worked on for years and years, to become available for sale, and that's 3300 Dumaine Street. We have it offered at $649,000. It's got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths and about 2,200 square feet. So what I'll do is let this video play of him describing his own home and all the efforts that he put into it to turn it from an old service station into this luxury residence with all the finest fixtures and this great motif of cars and service stations throughout. It's really something you got to see to believe. So just watch on from here, or feel free to contact Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004 for an opportunity to experience this. Thanks for watching. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's Office, and I'm signing off for now. Thanks.
I fell in love with the space first time I saw it. I was so lucky to finally get it. When I first bought it, my son was little, and I said, "What do you think about living in a gas station?" And he thought I was crazy. Hi, I'm Robert Guthrie, and this is my house. It's an old gas station, and I've converted it to my living space. This area is called Bayou St. John, and it's just 2 miles to the French border. I bought it before Katrina. It did get some damage, but we were able to fix that up pretty quickly. As an artist, it's my biggest art project, and I was able to incorporate items of cars and gasoline and stuff like that. I just love the old wooden trusses that hold the roof. I use a lot of modern elements. It's a modern kitchen. The pulls on the handles for all the cabinets are emblems from cars. For the bathroom upstairs. I bought a bunch of toy cars. I had an artist friend put them in resin. They're lit from underneath, so it's just like a piece of artwork on either side of the door. My favorite feature is the downstairs bathroom. The sconces are made out of old headlights. The toilet roll holder is actually an oil can holder. We did subway tile surrounding the jacuzzi-style tub, TV, and then we had the tile running up the wall to the second floor. The landing was the old hydraulic lift that we actually raised up to the staircase. The bedroom upstairs, I have where I can look out over this space, but I also have some blackout blinds. The exterior is kind of a Spanish style with that green tile. Spanish tile around the portico with the big awning in the front. The sign holder is original. The rooftop, I added a deck. It's a nice view up there. New Orleans is a different city, and this is really a different place. I think it fits in just by being quirky.